So today we're going to do something which we've not done before. We're going to catch a train from Budapest, where we are now, to the capital of Slovakia, Bratislava. Do you think we'll do it?
Well, I hope so.
We've got the tickets, we've bought them online.
We have to get a flight out of Bratislava, so we need to.
Yeah, we need to get on this train, and the train leaves in about 45 minutes. Any sign of Bratislava? The train to Bratislava?
Bratislava, here, train platform.
Oh, nothing.
Yeah.
This one?
This one.
Oh,
yeah.
okay, thank you.
Train platform.
Thank you very much, thank you. We are Bratislava. Ending in the city of Prague. We're expecting someone to be checking tickets here, but let's just go. I'll carry. Okay, here we go. Train is going through 6 stops to get to Bratislava, with names such as Vach, Znob, Sturovo, Novi Zamski, and hopefully we'll see a few of those as we traverse along. Now. Da-dun.
Is it 9:39?
Yeah.
I thought it was 9:39.
Nope. Bloody delays. Ooh, either that's like a police raid or we're about to go. I think we're about to go, about to set off. Next stop, Bach in Hungary. Look at the speed of this train. This is like super fast.
So it's like a bullet train. I don't think we'd ordered a bullet train.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Off to another country.
A new country for me. So how long are we on this here train? 2.5 hours?
I'm on a mission to find the end of the train to get some photography. Let's just walk past this gent. Hello. Hello. Mission accomplished. Because look, when I press this button, I can't squeeze through there. And if I try, I might get trapped and then squash. And Celine's that way. Oh my god.
I will believe it. Tell me
You
what
won't
you've
believe
done.
what happened.
You got stuck
Yes.
between 2 cabins.
Yes.
You couldn't get either door open.
Well, the one that did open, I pressed it and it opened like that much.
So you couldn't fit through.
I might have been able to fit through, but if I had got stuck, it would have pressed me and squashed me to death.
So you just stayed there till someone came and rescued you?
No, I stayed there and pressed it again, and eventually, I've been gone 2 hours, and then it opened. Did you miss me from that 2 hours?
I was having a wee chat with the train conductor. I
Anyway.
didn't actually even notice you left.
Have you ever seen God? Because look.
We're nearly there.
We're going to pass, we're going to see God very soon. Oh. God is no more.
Is that it?
Yep.
Underwhelming.
Yeah. Hello. Goodbye. Vach. Vach. Ooh, look at that old train. It's like an old thing.
Oh, it's cool.
So, just under 2 hours to go, and we're approaching the town of Zob, which is just before the Slovak border. It is snack time as we approach the border. This is what we bought just before we left. Delicious. We just passed the border. Hungary is back there. We're in Slovakia, the Slovak Republic, and there is about an hour and a half to go. So don the hats, coats, which means what? We are?
In Slovakia.
Well, we're nearly at Bratislava. So I think we're probably about 10 minutes away. So here is the outskirts of Bratislava. Looks a bit foggy. Right, here we go. Well done getting those right, let's go to the hotel. So there you are, the train from Budapest to Bratislava, and that taxi journey, which took 7 minutes, cost €16 over here at the hotel. So that is it. That's how you do the train journey.